What is house hacking and how can you do it?
We're going to give you some great tips on how you can start house hacking.
Hi, I'm Zeke.
And I'm Dirk, and we're with Tanner Realty. We're a real estate brokerage in Central Arkansas. And this channel is all about educating you about all things real estate.
So what is house hacking? House hacking is essentially you going out, buying a piece of real estate, and maybe you're living in it, maybe you're using roommates or other tenants to be able to buy that home. A lot of people use house hacking to be able to afford something that they maybe can't afford all by themselves, and some people just want some extra income off of it.
I have an example. When I actually lived in Denver, Colorado, there was, I believe, 6 people living in one house. My buddy had purchased it, and basically he filled every room with people. He actually had a married couple living in the master suite. This was a great way for him to eliminate paying his mortgage and also to be able to make money.
A lot of people will do something very similar with multifamily. You can buy up to a fourplex with an FHA loan with as little as 3.5% down. You could theoretically buy a 4-unit apartment building, live in one of the units, and have the other 3 units pay your mortgage and maybe even pocket some money every month. This allows you to be a part of the appreciation real estate, the pay down of the loan, and just all the benefits of investing in real estate.
So a lot of people will house hack even with Airbnb or short-term rentals. Let's say they're leaving town for a week and their house is in a cool area. They'll Airbnb that house for the week and pay for their vacation.
So to recap, house hacking is essentially being able to buy a home or a small apartment building and have other people pay for that investment.
If you need a realtor to help you find a home you want to house hack, we can connect you with one for free anywhere in the United States. Go down in the description, click the link, input some info. We'll have a phone call with you and connect you with the best agent possible.
If you like this content, click subscribe.